Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. Last time we reviewed the second big OxygenOS 16 update, that is 16.0.2 V400 for OnePlus 13 series. Now the same update has started rolling out for OnePlus 12 series with the new OTA pattern OnePlus introduced from the mid of the November 2025. I was using the OxygenOS 16.0.1 V300 version on my OnePlus 12R. You will find an in-depth review of this version and its battery life with performance in the two separate videos. The links are available in the video description. As I told you, the OnePlus has currently adopted the new OTA process where the stable updates are released as release candidate in the beta update section. So I got this new OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 of 1.36 GB via release candidate update. Today I installed this version on my device and I will review all the features of this version to check if they are available and working well or not. At the end of this video I got the new feature in this update which was not available for OnePlus 13 series when that series got this version update. So don't skip any part of this video, watch it till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, we will check out the device details and we'll see which changes we got in this version as compared to the previous build. The OTA update section is now updated with the new version as OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400. The same will be available in the version section. Security patches of this version are now updated with the latest December 2025. The old build had the November security patches. This is the second update for OnePlus 12 series after the first initial OxygenOS 16 build, and it has some major changes and the features. We'll check out them one by one. At the last, I will show you one major change of OnePlus 12 series. The first change in this update is that OnePlus has now provided the storage cleanup shortcut for Smart Sidebar. We can now edit the Smart Sidebar and can add its shortcut. This is super helpful to clean up your device storage anytime, anywhere in the operating system, despite using the home screen storage cleanup widget. Next are some new home screen customization features. The first one is that now you can rearrange the app shortcuts on the home screen of the launcher. Just long press on the app shortcuts and you can move or rearrange them as you want. Another one is that now you can even enlarge the cloned application icons on the home screen, which was not possible in the old OxygenOS 16.0.1 version. Also, we can add the cloned application shortcut and can rearrange their position as is shown few minutes before in this video. Next, we can add the 2x1 application widgets in a stack format, which was not possible in the previous launcher version of old OxygenOS 16. Also, by short right swipe over the stack widgets, we get the new delete button to easily remove the widgets from the stack card. Or you can simply long swipe right over the widget that can remove the card immediately. We already created one video few days before which provided all of these home screen customization features by installing the new launcher. You will find that video in the iCard. Next are some new features of OnePlus Photo application. The first one is that we can edit the pictures or the videos present in the private save album of OnePlus Photo application. We don't need to remove them from the private save album just for the sake of editing. Next, in the new OnePlus Photo application for the filter menu, we get the new filter options like edited, screenshot and screen recording and motion photos. These filters will help you to find your specific content easily. Next, OnePlus improved the thumbnail phrasing in the photo application to speed up the display of the thumbnails of the album in the application. Next is when you open the phone manager after updating to this version, you get the new notification to allow automatic block list update over the Wi-Fi and the mobile network. If you allow this setting, the system will automatically download the update for block list data and protect your device from the malicious activities or suspicious applications. Last but not the least, the major change of this update, which was not added by the OnePlus for 13 series. We know that to use the Google Circle to search, we need to keep navbar shortcut always at the bottom of your device. So we can long press on it and can activate the Google Circle to search feature. But after this update, you can hide the now bar and can activate the circle to search just long pressing on the position where the now bar is situated. This is pretty convenient for users like me who want the full screen experience by hiding the now bar and without compromising the circle to search feature. So these are all the new changes and the features of the new OxygenOS 16.0.2 version. Soon after 2 to 3 days of intensive testing of this version, I will release the separate battery life and the performance video, and will give you the final verdict on whether you need to upgrade or not. So stay tuned to our channel. This is all about for today guys. Hope you like our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.